I'm Matthew Schreiber. I'm an artist. I use light. That's why I'm here. uh, and I have a studio and lab in Brooklyn, New York. I one of my areas of specialty is holography. So I have a holography lab, a traditional analog lab that uses lasers to make holograms. And then out of that has grown this method I have of making sculptures with lasers. Well, it's a temple, it's a Roman temple that is in the basement of the new Bloomberg building in London. They wanted to create sort of like almost like a giant hologram of what the temple used to be, because all that was left was the ruin, the footprint of the actual temple. So I came up with a method of creating sort of sheets of light to represent the sort of volume of the temple, but made with light. Sustainability. I mean, I know that it's very obvious and very clear that the way that everything's changed just because of LED itself has just dropped power, and everybody knows that. And I've seen it happen. I watched the light change from hot light to LED. And it was very hard to use in the beginning, and now it's just getting better and better. So, and I know that that's even at home or in my studio. That's got to. I don't even know what the numbers are, but it's enormous, the amount of energy that's being saved. You know, because I have a holography lab, I have a kind of a pretty good knowledge of optics in general. But to be able to make almost like liquid lenses or adjustable in real time, manipulating the shape of light. So I know that that's possible. It just doesn't exist yet, and it will.